Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Goldwing GL 1800 Tour. This is the dual clutch automatic transmission model, 7-speed automatic, walking reverse and forward, fuel injected, liquid cooled, flat 6. This is the ultimate luxury touring machine. It's got 4 modes for the transmission. Only 1,700 miles on this gorgeous metallic red Goldwing. It's got the rear trunk rack with the rear light, navigation, cruise control, ABS, and super low mileage. Come on by, make your Goldwing dreams come true for just $21,990. Save thousands, multiple thousands over the price of a brand new one. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. It's got the adjustable windscreen. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.